This video is all about the fact that Sweet Restore Glycogen support is out there with scam marketing. So if you're wondering, should I buy this? Are there Sweet Restore Glycogen support reviews? The answer is that this is something that has no credible backing from doctors, hospitals, universities, famous people of any kind. And right at the top of this video, hit the like button down below. That can really help my video get out there to help people stay away from this scam. The more likes my video receives, the higher my video might show up in Google search results. What is going on here is that months ago, I made another video. It's going to be flying in on the screen right now. It had Elon Musk and Barbara O'Neill, as if they created or endorsed this product, Sweet Restore Glycogen support supplements, pills, capsules, and they never did. And now scammers are featuring Pope Leo as if he talked about this. The video of Pope Leo is real in that the scammers have manipulated his lip movement and his audio to make it sound like he's talking about this product and reversing type 2 diabetes, Sweet Restore Glycogen support, and he never talked about this product ever. Scammers have taken a genuine message, a video that Pope Leo delivered, and they've manipulated it with AI to make it look like he talked about this. He never did. And so this fake website, fake news, whatever you want to call it, it's not a real news website. It says, breaking. Exclusive, endocrinologist reveals the blood sugar compound Big Pharma blocked for 9 years. 52,000 diabetics have already used this. Their doctors can't explain the results. Health alert. New lab data exposes the real reason your blood sugar won't stabilize. It's not your diet. Watch the full video below before it gets pulled. And it says Nation News, America's Watchdog, Health, but there's no actual news organization because this is a scam website. In fact, this scam website is vitalfuel.surf, which, talk about a funny name. You could get .surf. Scientists discovered a cure for diabetes in the Vatican's holy scriptures. It's just made up by scammers. Sweet Restore Glycogen support is a scam. Let's watch part of this video here, and then I'll talk more about this in just a second.
Stop. Right now. If this video appeared on your screen, it is no accident and it is not a glitch in the algorithm. It is the answer to the secret prayers you've whispered in the shadows of your illness. The Lord never leaves us in our time of need, and today He is guiding your eyes to this screen. You have exactly 30 seconds. This is a test of your faith. You can give in to doubt, walk away, and remain a prisoner of your disease forever. Or you can find the courage to learn the truth that the titans of Big Pharma and the greedy medical elites have been stripping from your hands for the last 20 years. For years, they have built their fortunes on your helplessness, hiding what is yours by divine right. But their power ends.
Okay, this music is really insane. So I'm going to mute the video. So you can see what he continues to say, he being the AI version of Pope Leo. The way these scams normally work is they have someone who introduces the video. Normally it's some sort of expert, or maybe it's a celebrity or a famous doctor, and it uses AI, or maybe it's a spokesperson who is paid. In this case, it's inauthentic Pope Leo, right? And so the video will eventually, usually in these cases, go to a second person who is maybe someone credible, but they also have nothing to do with it. Again, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorse Sweet Restore Glycogen support. This video will eventually, after it completes, show you a link, and it doesn't even reveal to you at the beginning of the video anywhere. This is going to be about Sweet Restore Glycogen support. Maybe they'll claim it's going to be a holy mixture of some ingredients or something. And it's a recipe, and that's not true. That the recipe promise is the old way of scammers trying to get you to watch their entire video, because they're dangling a recipe promise in front of you. Ooh, what's the recipe? Show me the recipe. By the end of the video, there is no recipe ever shown to you. Big surprise, right? And so as the video will go on, at the end of the video, it will claim, okay, this is Sweet Restore Glycogen support. It's pills. They aren't going to tell you that at the beginning of the video because they know you're not going to buy the product or watch the video in that case. And it'll go to bpwellnesshub.com, which tries to sell you on packages, bottle packages. And Dr. Patrizio Palisca is shown here in this video. Maybe they're going to claim that that's the person who has something to do with this. I don't know. But bpwellnesshub.com will try to get you to buy the product. And it'll have under the Rush My Order button, so basically the checkout button, the final button when they charge you, it'll have under that button a pre-checked little thing that says become a VIP and save 20%. And the VIP thing is where the scammers are going to get you. That's where they're going to charge you subscription charges, monthly fees of maybe tens or hundreds of dollars a month. And that's what this is really all about. It will have a pre-checked thing that will try to get you to buy this product and not know maybe that you're being enrolled for monthly fees. And they hope that a certain percentage of people, 5, 10%, maybe don't look at their credit card statement for months, and that's free money coming into the scammers. That's really, in my opinion, what this is all about. And so I hope that you've received some assistance from my video in trying to stay away from this, because I don't want you to become someone who loses a bunch of money. Because normally in these cases, not normally, but a lot of the time, I feel like the kind of people who might fall for this sort of thing maybe don't have a lot of money because they're looking for solutions and they see something that seems amazing and it's not going to cost you a lot. What I noticed just now, as I was saying all that, on the bpwellnesshub.com website, is that it says this: you're going to be charged a certain amount of money, like $129.98 for a 2-bottle package, or maybe $189.96 for 4, or for 6 bottles, $239.94. And that might be the VIP thing that charges you monthly for that same cost. That is a lot of money. So I'm not going to keep showing you the video with Pope Leo. It's going to keep going for a long time, and they're going to try to scam you. And this scam might continue because it's been around since January, at the very least, maybe months before that. Sweet Restore Glycogen Support. Go see a doctor. I wish it worked. I wish there were magic pills out there. Don't fall for online supplement scams. Go to the Internet Crime Complaint Center on IC3.gov. It's via the FBI. IC3.gov, and try to file a complaint there with all the information about how you got scammed, in an effort to try to help the people who might investigate this receive the most information possible so that they have the best chance possible of figuring out what's going on. Because this sort of a thing that's out there, and it could be someone doing the scam video versus people selling the pills, whatever, it could be separate. I'm not saying it's the same thing, but I know this. There are so many type 2 diabetes reversal scams out there these days. Same thing for Alzheimer's and dementia, for weight loss, for nerve pain, any ailment, you name it. Scammers are out there trying to get your money, whether, it's a scam video or it's a legitimate product with a scam video, whatever. None of these products are going to have miracle properties to do things that are amazing. And no, Big Pharma is not trying to shut this down. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about this. That is an emotionally manipulative tactic to get you to fall for this, so that you pull out your credit card and you think you're showing Big Pharma by handing people who are trying to scam you money. Don't do that. Don't do that ever. There are so many online scams that end with pill offers, and they have celebrity deepfakes or famous people deepfakes in the marketing. And I don't want you to lose your money. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. The join button is big. The like button is the biggest button. And thank you for watching.